Hey, we're going to be making these boneless beef short ribs today. So I added some seasonings, but honestly, I added a whole bunch of other shit that I didn't even plan on putting on these short ribs. So I'm not even going to tell you what I put on there. I'll just put it down in the description below. I'm telling you, it was a lot. I was like, wait a minute, what about this? What about that? Anyway, so I'm just searing them in this super hot cast iron skillet. And then I'm going to like scrape off all of the good stuff on the bottom. I added onion and green bell peppers to my little gravy mix. I was going to add celery, but I was like, for what? I don't even eat celery like that. Stop fronting. Anyway, so I'm mixing that up. I had to put it in a pot because that skillet wasn't doing it. I know I was going to be adding more juice, more water, beef broth. So I was like, let me put this in a bigger, vessel, okay? So in the middle of all that, I was like, wait a minute. I think I want some dessert. So, yeah, I made a cake. It's a 7-Up cake, but honestly, I didn't taste a lot of 7-Up in there, so I probably should have added more. But anyway, I just used cream cheese icing. I was going to make my own icing, but I didn't have any milk. So there's that. Awesome. There are my Bath and Body Works pineapples in the background. Yay. Super moist. Don't play with your girl. It was moist, okay? Back to the meat. Look at it. Super tender. See, y'all see the little carrots floating around? I didn't even mention carrots in the beginning. That's because I just decided at the last minute, why not? And yes, they were a good addition to the meat. Oh, this turned out really well. It only took like from 12 to 4. Anyway, thanks for watching. Enjoy.